In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to white out on Docusign. Whether you're finalizing sensitive documents or making quick edits, understanding how to efficiently use Docusign's tools will undoubtedly save you time and help you maintain the accuracy of your paperwork. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to Docusign's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in docusign.com. Docusign is renowned as the leader in electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, so you're in good hands for this process. Once you've loaded the homepage, look towards the upper right corner for the login button. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the login screen where you'll need to enter your credentials. If you're not automatically directed to your home screen, navigate there either from the options presented or by using the main menu. Now that you're on the Docusign homepage, it's time to select the template you want to work on. Templates are a great way to streamline repetitive tasks and ensure consistency across your documents. Find the template section and choose the one you need by clicking select. If you're working from scratch, you'll select a new document instead. With your template loaded, move to add necessary details to your document. This could include any recipient information, messages to recipients, or additional data fields required for completion. Taking the time to accurately fill out these details will affect how smoothly the rest of your process goes. Once you've filled in the relevant information, click the Next button to proceed to the customization phase. In this next phase, you'll be working with fields. First, select Standard Fields from your menu. These fields are customizable elements that you add to your document, such as signature lines, text fields, or checkboxes. Next, you'll find and select Pre-fill tools. These are essential for making preemptive adjustments or blurring out information you don't want recipients to see. Now that you're in the right spot, click on the Line tool. By using the Line tool, you can draw over text or sections of your document to effectively white out content just like you would with a correction pen on paper. After choosing the Line tool, look for the color option. Setting the line color to white allows you to mask the underlying text seamlessly. Just click and drag across areas on the document that you need to mask. This method provides you with a digital equivalent of traditional whiteout, helping maintain the clarity and professionalism of your documents. And that's it, you've now learned how to utilize Docusign's tools to white out information. Thanks for watching and happy DocuSigning.